Thank you for your interest in this kettlebell program. This program is designed for the intermediate to advanced person that wants to get in great shape in less time. It's also for the person that doesn't want to do traditional long duration cardio and running and doing aerobic classes and things of that nature. But why should you listen to me and why should you invest in this program? Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself without going into too many details. First of all, I want you to focus on, I have been doing this and helping others do this for over 12 years. I've trained over 20,000 training sessions and I've helped countless people get in great shape. Furthermore, kettlebells are a great tool that can be used pretty much in almost anybody's program. However, again, make sure that you know how to use the kettlebell, at least basic understanding of it before you begin this program. Finally, another reason why so many people have given rave reviews about the way that I've trained in my local community is because I shorten the time frame and I focus on efficiency. And that's really what you want. You want to be able to do these workouts in an efficient amount of time, but be able to get a lot of results and benefit from it. And that's what this kettlebell program is going to do for you. So if you'll just invest a little bit of time and a little bit of money, I will see you on the inside.